You will see by looking at the pictures of this 2016 van, the rear quarter has received some excessive damage. The yellow paint may be a giveaway, but the customer lost a battle with a skip. Keeping to the customer's budget and the current lack of sourcing parts and panels, we took the work on. You will see we had to unstitch the remaining spot wells, and we then used a slide hammer along with spoons, hammer and dollies to straighten this panel out. This was no easy task by far due to access, etc. In the process, we unearthed a previous bad repair with excess of over 1 inch's worth of filler, including expanding foam in some parts. When we was happy with the panel and the alignment by using the old damaged light as a guide tool due to previous bad repair, and we had no lines to follow, we then stitched it back on, welded the lower part of the panel. We began with a light skim of fiberglass. When we were happy with our lines, we then used body filler to finish off. We replicated the factory seam sealer around the light area. We retextured the back bumper, along with using a base and clear coat paint on the body. The results will obviously speak for themselves. I'm sure you would be happy with this work. We were. Thanks again for watching. And if you'd like to watch any more videos like this, please comment, like and subscribe, and we will try our best. Thank you.